The well-marked low pressure over East Central Bay of Bengal has concentrated into a depression. The system is very likely to move north-northwestwards and intensify into a cyclonic storm by tomorrow morning. It will further intensify into a very severe cyclonic storm during the subsequent 24 hours. As per latest forecast of the India Meteorological Department, the cyclone will probably make a landfall between Odisha's Paradip and the Sagar Islands. The forecast indicates that landfall will take place in the evening of 26th May. IMD stated that the system is expected to cross North Odisha and West Bengal between Paradip and Sagar Islands by the evening of 26th May as a very severe cyclonic storm. Under the influence of the cyclonic storm, light to moderate rainfall will be witnessed in many places with heavy rainfall in the north coastal districts of 25th May. Balesur, Bhadrak, Kendrapada and Mayurbhanj will experience extremely heavy falls. On the 26th, heavy to very heavy falls will be seen at a few places in the districts of North Odisha, namely Balesur, Bhadrak, Kendrapada, Mayurbhanj, Jagatsinghpur, Cuttack, Jajpur and Keonjhar. Wind speed of 60 to 70 km per hour, gusting to 80 km per hour is expected from early hours of 26th along and off West Bengal and adjoining North Odisha and Bangladesh coasts. It would gradually increase further, becoming 90 to 100 gusting to 110 km per hour from the 26th forenoon and increase thereafter till 26th evening. Bureau Report, OTV News.